The little boy played hide and seek and he hid in the wardrobe among the clothes. The woman hid the picture of her baby on the ultrasound behind her back while her husband read a newspaper on the couch. The businessman hid the ace card in the inside of his coat pocket. The scared man hid himself by leaning against a wall. The businessman hid under his desk. The man hid behind the couch. The couple hid behind the bookshelves. The worried woman hid inside the box from all her problems. The cat hid under the couch. The man hid his wedding ring when he was speaking to another woman. The woman hid behind a chair at her place of work. The businessman hid his head in the sand. The man with a camera in his hand hid in the blue wheelie bin. The depressed teen hid from the bullies in an abandoned house. The woman hid the results of the pregnancy test behind her back. The judge hid the money in the inside of his coat pocket. The girl hid behind a wooden bench. The young boy hid his face with his hands. The scared woman hid under the duvet. She was afraid of the dark. The young woman hid under the duvet. She did not want to go to work. The young boy hid a bunch of flowers behind his back. He got them for Mother's Day. The man hid behind the red curtain. He was afraid to do a public speech. The men hid their heads in the sand. They wanted to escape their problems. The child hid under the bed. The man hid the pair of blue jeans inside his jacket. He was stealing from the shop. The man hid in the closet when the burglar came into his house. He could see him through the keyhole. The young woman hid her face under a smiling mask. The woman hid her face under her sweater. She pulled her sweater over her face. The turtle hid inside his shell. The young woman hid behind her laptop. The woman hid behind the curtain. The dog lay on the wooden floor and hid behind the curtain. The cat hid under the couch. The woman hid in the box.